Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going through Cambridge IGCSE paper 2 from October-November 2020 and the component is 2-1 here. So here are the instructions and thanks for your support, those who are watching and have subscribed, and I would request you guys to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, because I'm going to make many more videos with your support. So let's start without any delay. So let's see first question here from algebra. First one is simplify. So to simplify we need to combine the like terms 3a and 4a, then this is 3a minus 4a, that is we have two different signs. You see 3a minus 4a, two different signs, so we are going to subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1, you can just write down 1 a here, and 4 is greater and it has negative sign, and so this will be negative, and then these two are positive, so simply you're just going to add 8b, so negative a plus 8b, right? Now number 2, construction. We are given one side of the triangle and we are going to make the other ones. As you can see, we are given the scale here, scale of 1 centimeter to represent 100 meters. So 500 meters will be represented by 5 centimeter and this will be 6.5 centimeters, right? So that means AC is 5 centimeters. So AC, we are going to see AC is 5 centimeters. This is 5 from here, and BC will be this side, which is 6.5, so little more than that. 6.5 is here. So done. So now just join them with the ruler. So I have here like this, right? So now this is our point C here. So AC is 5 centimeters and this one is 6.5 centimeters. So we are done for this. Now question number 3. Rangan buys 3.6 kg of potatoes and 2.8 kg of leeks. The total cost is $13.72. Leeks cost 2.65 per kilogram. Find the cost of 1 kg of potato. So let's say the cost of 1 kg of potato is X, right? So the total cost we are given. So total cost will be 3.6 times X. Okay, so total cost is 3.6 times X, that is plus 2.8 kg of leeks times per kg is 2.65 times 2.65 here. So this is 2.8 times 2.65. So total is 13.72, right? So now this is 3.6x plus, let's calculate that one, 2.8 times 2.65, this is 7.42 and equals to 13.72. So 3.6x is equal to 13.72 minus 7.42 divided by 3.6 divided by 3.6. So 13.72 minus 7.42 divided by 3.6. This is 1.7. 1.75. So value of x, and what we considered x as cost of 1 kg. So that is our final answer, right? So $1.75. Question number 4. Aisha records the distance she runs and her average speed. We have here average speed and distance. The results are shown in the scatter diagram. The first part is the table shows the results of the 4 more runs. Here on the scatter diagram, plot these points. So these points are not there, we need to plot that. So distance 4.2. So you see we have the 1 2 3 4 5. So one small square will represent 0.2, right? So 4.2, this is 4.2 here, and 13.4, 4.2 is this line here, 13.2, one more than that. So this is here, right? Now next one is 5.7 and 11.8. 5.7, 5.2, 5.4, 5.6, and in the middle here. And then we have on the other side 11.8. Here in the middle 11.8 here. This is 11, 11.2, 11.4, 6 and 11.8. Okay, so this is done, this is done. Now 7.1 and 9.8. 7.1 here, 9.8, 9.8, 9 is here, 9.2, 9.4, 9.6, 9.8 here. Done. Now 8.8 and 8.3. 8.8 is going to be here and 8.3. 8.2 here in the middle. So we are done for that. Now what type of correlation is shown in the diagram? If you see, if we move here along x-axis, all the points are coming down. So that means this is a negative correlation. So it is a negative correlation. On the scatter diagram, draw our best line of best fit. Line of best fit is a line that we draw here, that all the points may not be on the line, but they are nearby to the line. So we can choose like this when all the points are nearby, like this. Okay, so this is the best fit line here. And now use your best fit line to estimate her average speed when she runs distance of 6 kilometers. So 6 kilometers here, so we will go up there. And then go this side. So this is the best estimate, it is 11.2, 11.3. So I am getting here 11.3 kilometers per hour. Question number 5. T is given to us like this. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out the estimate for T. So we need to first of all write them to one significant figure. This one significant figure will be 50 minus 9, it will become nearest to 10, and this is 4 times 2. So 50 minus 10 is 40 over 4 times 2. This is 10, 2 times 5. So final answer is 5. This was a very simple question. And now number 6. Without using calculator, work out this calculation. 2 times 3. This will be 2 times 3 plus 2 over 3. And this is, this is multiply. 4 times 2 times 4 plus 3 over 4. So this is 6 plus 2, it is 8 over 3 times 4 times 2, 8 plus 3, 11 over 4. So 4 times 2, so we have here 2 times 11 over 3, which is 22 over 3. That can be written as 7 1 over 3. So that will be our final answer, 7 1 over 3. Right? Now number 7, make x the subject of the formula. So for that we will shift 7 to other side equals to 5x. So 2y plus 7, 5 this side, divide by 5, divide by 5. This is gone. So x is equal to 2y plus 7 over 5. 2y plus 7 over 5. Question number 8. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7 all are common factors of two numbers. Write down the digit that the two numbers must end in. So it's actually very tricky. So the only number that we can get here 0 in the end. That can be the factor of all these, because 7 is different from all these, so it has different properties, so that number must end with the 0. Right? Now write 84 as product of prime factors. 84, we can take prime numbers here starting with 2. 2 times 4, 42, again 2, 21, 3, then 7. So 84 can be written as 2 power, we are getting 2 twice, 2 power 2 times 3 times 7. So 2 power 2 times 3 times 7. Right? Now number 9a, Ahmad increases 40 by 300%. So he is increasing 40 by 300%. From this list, put a ring around the calculation. So there is no need to do all the calculations. So he is increasing it by 100 is already there, plus 300%. He is increasing this by 4. So that means he is taking 400% of 40. Right? So this can be written as 400 over 100 times 40. So these 400 over yes, this is done. So we have 4 times 40. So we have this calculation is 4 times 40. Right? Now Ahmed finds the magnitude of this vector. From the list, put around ring around the correct calculation. So you know that magnitude will be square root of this both x and y, x square plus y square. Then we are going to get here, which one is here? This here. Right? Now number 10, a town has population of 45,000. The population increases exponentially at rate of 1.6 per year. Find the population of the town at the end of 5 years. This is a very direct question. You can directly use the formula. So that is going to be 45,000 into, we have 1 plus 1.6 over 100 power 5. So this is going to be 100 plus 1.6 over 100 power 5. So 45,000 times 101.6 over 100 power 5, or you can write it down 45,000 times 100 power 5, because this decimal will come over here. Now directly use calculator for that one. So let's see, this is 45,000 times 1.016 power 5. Let me check it again. 45,000 times 1.016 power 5. So this came out to be 487.05. So approximately to the nearest 100, this is hundreds place, 487,000. Sorry, 48,700. That is our answer, right? Question 11, we have this was actually a new question when it came. This was different kind of question. So we have this diagram here. You see, we are given the coordinates, some coordinates. The diagram shows a rectangle with line of symmetry at x equals to 2. This is line of symmetry. The vertices of the rectangle are given here. The shaded region is defined by inequality, this shaded region. So between A to B and C to Y is like C to D. So we have some coordinates here, right? Like this. So now you see we need to find out values of x and y. So here if you see, now we need to use go slowly here. So if you see here at this point, what is the value of y here? Value of y is 1, right? This is x and this is y. Y is 1, so that means y will be 1 here also. So that is going to be 1 here, right? And similarly this is x and y is 4 here, so that means y will be 4 here also, right? We got it. Now we want these values. Okay, so for that that means this is x, these are coordinates of x. So what will be x here? What is this actually? First of all, we will see that value of x is here to here, that means it is lying between a and b. So that means this is a here and this point is b, right? So let me write it down. This is a here and this is b here. So a is value of x, so that means this value is a. You getting? So this is a is -1, right? And b is x here, so that means this point is b here. But this a value of x was -1 here. So -1, so it is reflected in this one here, in line x equals to 2. And so this is x equals to 2 here. This is value of x 2. So that means 1 will be here and 3 is going to be here. Okay. So here if x is -1 here, so 2 here. So -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2, it is 1. So that means this value is going to be 1. So we will have b here and c is going to be this one and d is this one. So from here d is 4. We can directly write down d as 4 here. Now we are looking for b and c. So for b is x coordinate here. So x coordinate is -1. This is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I am making mistake here. So this is -1 plus 3. That is going to be 2. Okay, so 2 is here. Then we have 1, 2 and 3. So plus again 3. So b is going to be 5 here. So this is going to be 5. And then c is this point here. For the value of x, so that is going to be c is here, sorry, c is here, c is 1. We already got it. So go slowly for this question. There are some confusions, but you can manage that if you go step by step, right? Now number 12, we have here the interior angle of a regular polygon with n sides is 156. So this is interior angle. So work out the value of n. So we know that the formula of interior angle is equal to 180 minus 360 over n, where n is number of sides, and this interior angle is given to us 56 degree minus 360 over n, right? So I am bringing this 360 over n here, 180 minus 156. So 360 over n equals to, this is 24 over 1. Cross multiply, n times 24 equals to 360 times 1 over 24 over 24. So this is 15. So number of sides is 15, right? Now write the recurring decimal 0.17 as a fraction. So let's say this is denotes as x 0.177 because only there is dot only on 7. And if we multiply by 10 here, so if I multiply by 10 here, it will become 1.777 like that. So now when you subtract this, so 10x minus x, then this will be 1.777 minus 0.177 like that. So this is 9x and this is all these 1.77 and this is 0.177 like this. So these are all becoming 0. So it is 1.6. So 1.6. So x is going to be 1.6 over 9. That means 16 over 90. You can simplify 2 times 8, 8 over 45. So 8 over 45 is the final answer. Number 14, find the gradient of the line that is perpendicular to this. First of all, we need to find out the gradient of this line equals to 5. Oh, sorry, this is plus here. So we are going to make it into y equals to mx plus c form. So 8y equals to minus 4x plus 5 divide by 8. This will be 4 over 8x plus 5 over 8. So this is negative 1 over 2x plus 5 over 8. So now for this line, the slope is negative 1 over 2. So slope of the line perpendicular to this will be 2 because m1 times m2 is equal to negative 1 for perpendicular line. So our final answer is 2 here. So that is the gradient of the perpendicular line, right? Now we have here speed time graph again in the next question. Number 15, we have speed this side and we have time on along horizontal axis. And the diagram shows speed time graph for 100 seconds of the journey of a car and a motorbike. Now find the deceleration of the car between 60 and 100 seconds. Deceleration is like negative gradient. So now we are focusing on this part, this one, right? So this that will be deceleration will be speed over time. So speed here it is 18 at this point is 18 and at this point speed is 6. So 18 minus 6 and time taken is this is 160. 100 minus 60, that is 40. 12 over 40, 6 2 times 6 20, 3 10. So it is 0.3. This is 3 over 10, that can be written as 0.3. Now calculate how much further the car travel than motorbike during 100 seconds. So during 100 seconds we are looking for the distance, actually how much farther. So that means we are talking about the distance now. So now distance is area under the graph, right? So area under the graph is like we have here, there are two parts actually. So the first one is here, this one for the second one is here, the triangle. This is first and this is second, right? So we are looking for the how much farther. Car is here at this point and this motorbike is here. Sorry, motorbike is here. Okay, so that means Okay, so sorry, because we are looking for the distance travel, comparing car and the motorbike. So car is here at this point, so we are going to take all this, right? And for the motorbike we have this, so which is a trapezium now, right? So area under the graph, that will be car. For the car, the first part is, you see this one, from here to here it is 60, and here to here it is 18. So area will be 18 times 60, right? Then minus, we are taking the difference, so minus the area of this trapezium, which is half into A. A is this, which is 18, 0 to 18, and 6 from here to here, right? 18 plus 6 times height. Height is this one here, from 60 to 100. So that is going to be 40. Yeah, so this is times 40. So now this is 18 times 60 minus, this can be simplified here, 24 times 20. Wait guys, I think I'm making mistake. So area under the graph, so this actually is the graph of the car, this is the journey of car, so this total thing is journey of car here. So I'm sorry for that. So this is car, and then we have to subtract the journey of the motorbike. Motorbike is here, so if you see from here to here, this is the journey of motorbike, which is 12. From here, this is a rectangle, 12 times 100, so 12 times 100. So that means we are adding this is the journey of just car, this part and this part, so we are adding it, and then we subtract this one. I hope you understood. Let me explain this to you again. We are looking for the distance traveled by car. Distance traveled by car is area under this curve, which consists of this rectangle and triangle. And now then the area of distance of the motorbike, which is this here, that one. So now this is 1080 plus 480 minus 1200, this comes out to be 360. So that is our final answer. Sorry for the inconvenience, I was just confused. So let's move to next one. Question number 16, factorize 6x squared plus 7x minus 20. So we can see that our coefficient is not 1 of x squared. So we need to see this one, 20 times 6, which is negative 120, and 7x. So we are looking for two numbers. When you multiply, you get this, and when you add, you get 7. So first thing in my brain is coming, 6 times 20, but when you add 26, subtract, you can't get 7, so this is not gonna work. Second thing is 15 and 8. 15 times 8 is 120, and 15 minus 8 is 7. So 8 can be negative because we are looking for positive 7x, right? So yeah, then you multiply, this is 120. So we can replace this 7x, 6x squared, replace 7x by 15x positive minus 8x minus 20. Now see what is common in the first two and the second two. Here we have 3 common and x also, so 2x plus 5. Now here we have 4 common, and that means 2x plus 5 again. Now these two are common, so this and this will go out, 2x plus 5, then we are left with 3x minus 4 in there. So 2x plus 5, 3x minus 4, right? Now number 17, fx is 3x squared plus a, where a is an integer. So f negative 2 is 12. Find the value of a. So f minus 2 is given to us 19, right? So f minus 2, we can get it by replacing x by negative 2 here in fx. So that means 3 minus 2 squared plus a is equal to 19. So 3 times 4 plus a is 19. 12 plus a is 19, and a is equal to 19 minus 12, which is 7. So value of a is 7, right? Now part B, we have here gx equals to 2x plus 7 and hx is this. Find g of hx. So guys, remember, you just start from right hand side for the functions g, hx. Now replace this thing by hx. Hx is 3x minus 8, right? Now we are here in g of 3x minus 8. Now instead of x, that means we have 3x minus 8. So that is 2. X is being replaced by 3x minus 8 plus 7, right? So open the bracket, 6x minus 18 plus 7. So 6x minus 9. 6x minus 9. Now g inverse x, first of all let's take gx. Gx is 2x plus 7. We can make it as y, 2x plus 7. Now make x the subject. Y minus 7 equals to 2x, divide by 2, divide by 2. So that means x is equal to y minus 7 over 2. So this is our g inverse x. Now g inverse x, replace y by x. So x minus 7 over 7. That's it. Question number 18. We have this diagram that shows solid made from cylinder and a hemisphere. This is a solid. Make sure you don't make mistake. Solid means you have to cover all the outer surface area. With radius 7 centimeter, the cylinder has length of 12 centimeter. Work out the total surface area of the solid. Now this solid consists of, let me write it down first. Total surface area will be surface area of cylinder, right, this part, and then area of hemisphere, which is half of the sphere here, plus area of hemisphere, plus, do you see something else here? This top we covered, curved surface we covered, but bottom is remaining. So bottom is circle, area of circle, right? So surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Area of hemisphere is half of, we are given this 4 pi r squared, plus area of circle is pi r squared. So 2 pi times 7 times 12 plus half into 4 times pi times r is again 7 plus pi into 7 squared. So you can calculate that one. So 2 times pi times 7 times 12. It is 527.787 plus. This is going to be 2 pi shift pi times 2 times 7 is 49, which is 307.876 plus pi r squared, pi times 49, which is 153.93, and when you add this one is coming 898.60, approximately 990, right? So our answer is 990 centimeter squared. Got it? So now let's move to next question. Question 19, we have Venn diagram here. In this Venn diagram, shade the region M complement union N union P. So N union P is this one, simple. M complement means leaving N, like this. Then you are done. Okay. Now, number 20, we have a cyclic quadrilateral here. Find the value of y. Now, in the cyclic quadrilateral, we have the property that sum of the opposite angle is opposite angle. We can say opposite angles in cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So, we can take from here 2x, first of all, this and this. 2x plus x plus 60 is equal to 180. So this is 3x equals to 180 minus 60, which is 120. 3x, so x is going to be 40, right? Now you got x, we can calculate here. The other side we have this and this. So this is 4x minus 87 plus y equals to 180. 4x plus 87. 4x plus 87 plus y. So x is 40. (160) minus 87 plus y is 180. Y is 180 minus 160 plus 87. This comes out to be 107. That's done. Number 21, the diagram shows a cuboid. We have this cuboid P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. PV is 17.2. PV is here. Let me write down here. PV is 17.2 centimeter, right? The angle between line PV and the base T, U, VW. So this is the base. So we are actually looking for this angle here. This is given. This is 43. So that means, let me just make it like this. So this is 43, right? Calculate PT. We are looking for this. So after drawing this diagram separately, you can easily know what to do. Now we can see which one out of this we can use SOHCAHTOA. We have here opposite. We need to include this opposite and hypotenuse. So that means sine. So sine 43 is going to be PT over 17.2. So PT is 17.2 times sine 43. So let's see. 17.2 times sine 43. 11.73 can be written as 11.7, right? Now number 22, simplify. We need to make factors. X common here, x minus 5, 2 common here, then we have x squared minus 50, right? So x into x minus 5, 2, and this can be written as x squared, let me do it again, x is common, x minus 5, 2 is common, so x squared minus 25. So x into x minus 5, 2, this can be written as x squared minus 5 squared. So x into x minus 5 over 2 into x plus 5 and x minus 5. So this is gone. So you have x over 2x plus 10. So x over 2x plus 10. Number 23, this is last question guys of this paper. So I hope you are getting everything, but I would request for your support. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So let's move to the question. We have here This will take bit time. Actually, it is 5 marks question, 3 and 2. So we have these vectors. The diagram shows parallelogram of CDEF. EF is M. CE is N. B is midpoint. B is midpoint of CD, so that means if this is M, this is whole is M, this is going to be M over 2, right? So now FA is 2 times AC. FA, you see here, FA is 2 ratio to AC, 2 times of AC. So that means this part is 2 and this part is 1. This is 2 of 3, this is 1 over 3, because this total is going to be 3 now. Okay, so now we are looking for AB. So AB is going to be, where is AB? AB, here you need to join this one. AB is going to be AC plus CB. AC plus CB, right? Now for AC, you need to have AC first. AC, we actually AC is 1 over 3. AC is here. 1 over 3 of FC, right? 1 over plus CB. CB is M over 2. So for that, now we need to have FC. Now what is FC? FC is going to be FC is going to be FE plus EC. FE plus EC. FE is M minus EC, we have this N, other way it will be minus N. So FE is minus M minus N. So this is going to be FC M minus N plus M over 2. Now just calculate 1 over 3 M minus 1 over 3 N plus M over 2. So when you add this, becomes 5 over 6 M minus 1 over 3 N. Right, so this is the final answer, 5 over 6 M minus 1 over 3 N. Right, now we have here GH and JK given to us. Write down 2 facts about GH and JK. Now if you see, now if you multiply this vector by 3, JK, if you multiply JK by 3, so this becomes GH. So that means that is scalar multiple. So if they are scalar multiple, so one thing we have that GH and JK are parallel. Right? We need to write down 2 facts. One is this. Second one is GH is equal to 3 times of JK. That's it. So I hope you guys like this video. And if there is any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. God bless you guys.